Hello friend, good morning. And today I am explaining the first second 1 second theodolite by using 1 second theodolite how to check horizontal angle. First of all, we are placing the instrument on the ground level. When we perform horizontal triangular method, first of all we are set the instrument on the ground. Preliminary method is to set the object on the ground level. This is tripod and this is theodolite, 1 second theodolite. First of all, we set the level on the ground level of by three leg adjustment. Then after we then after we screwing those one and two. This is parallel switch screw. Then after this is perpendicular screw, and this function is used for leveling the water tube. Water tube. This is this water tube is set by these screws. First of all, we are we are having two angles. First, A angle is there, then it is O, then after this is B angle. First of all, we are setting the object at angle A. This is eyepiece and this is object piece, and this is clamping screw. This is used for vertical clamping screw, and this screw is used for horizontal movement. Then after when we clamp this screw, the movement is stopped like this. The clamping is stopped. When we lose it, then after the object is revolving at 360 degree. First of all, bisect. I am bisecting the angle A by object piece. I I seen the object and I clamping the screw. Then after I'll cross check by this fixing screw. Then my object is clear vision by this eyepiece. Then after my crosshair is not visible perfectly. That's why I am revolving this screw. This is used for clearance of crosshair. Then after my object is clearly visible. Then I reset the values of this digital reading. I put the button on O set. Then after it will get 0 degree. Then after it will become 0 degree, 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. Then after I I lose this clamping screw. When I lose, then after it will get revolve at 360. But this is phase right. Come, this is phase right. That's why I'm revolving. This is at the rotational level of right hand. Then after I rotate this at then I'll came at my B object. Then after first of all I bisect that object by reference point. Then after my clamping screw is here. I fixed my object. Then after tangentially moving the screw for the clearance of object, my object is centrally placed. Then after I clearance of diaphragm by a revolve this. Then I vision cross her. Then perfectly my object is clear in the eye vision. Then after my reading is became 284 degree. 46 minute and 34 second. After that, it clear that my reading is became 284 degree 46 minute and 34 second. Then the my horizontal angle degree I became by this angulation method. यहाँ पे my my problem is getting solved by the using of instrument 1 second theodolite. Clear? हो गया हुआ